What up? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have my sister here with me today. Hello. What's your name? How old are you?
Hey guys, I'm sure a lot of you guys know me. I'm Leah, Karina's sister.
Some people would say we're twins, but some people say we don't look alike at all.
So, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, let us know. Anyways, today we're gonna be doing a Sephora VIB Rouge sale haul thing. They had like the 20% off for rouges, and
we just bought a bunch of products.
Splurged. So we're gonna kind of go through and show you guys all the products that we got, what we think about them, if we have tried them, and yeah, let's just jump right in.
Except mine's empty. Okay, anyways.
No, it's not. You have like 3 products. Okay, so first off, I have a couple products that I purchased online. So those came in the mail, and then I have a couple products that I purchased in the store, and then Leah also has a couple things. Okay, so we're just gonna get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I got this a while back, and I honestly haven't even tried it yet, but my friend's mom got it and she loves it, and also GLAMGLOW is amazing. So I got the GLAMGLOW GRAVITYMUD firming treatment. So this one's like the glitter mask. It was like the ones that they made that were all colorful, like the purple and the blue with like the glitter in it, and it's the peel off masks, and it was actually on sale as well, so that was lit.
Do you know what it's like good for?
It says firm lift, tight tone, sexy contours. Contours. Anyways, I can't wait to try this one, so I'll keep you guys posted on. The next thing that I got is this perfume. Okay, so this perfume is by COMPTOIR Sud Pacifique. Okay, when I used to work at Sephora, I used to always wear the Vanilla Extreme, but then I smelled this one. This one's the Vanilla Apricot. Oh my god, it smells amazing. The smell is actually very similar to, if anyone has tried the GLAMGLOW, like their mist spray or whatever. To be honest, I found that this smelled like exactly like it.
Oh, it actually smells really good.
It's so good, right? I don't know. Anyways,
it smells really good.
Yeah, so I'm a sucker for things that just smell very sweet. Like, I love sweet scents. So like Bonbon, fave. But yeah, I love this one. Next product, we both got one. Woo! Okay, so I love Too Faced. We're like obsessed with the Born This Way. I think the foundation, Born This Way foundation. I think it's like the perfect foundation. I feel like it's good for like every skin type, and like it's super hydrating as well. It's not like super matte. It just like looks really natural. So I love that foundation. So when they came out with the concealer, I was really excited. It's actually insane how like pigmented the product is. Like the littlest bit goes like such a long way. Did you like it when you tried it?
Also, it's gluten-free. So I think I mentioned it
it's vegan, I think. Yeah. Cruelty-free as well, Too Faced. So that's awesome.
Yeah, so that's the good thing about them. They're inclusive. The coverage is amazing. It's very comparable to the Shape Tape. Tarte's Shape Tape is kind of like a thicker consistency. Like it has good coverage, and I found this one was pretty similar as well, so I love both equally, and I've been using this one religiously because my Shape Tape is done now. But if you're looking for a new concealer, grab this one. Okay, so talking about Tarte, I picked up this one, the Amazonian Clay by Tarte. So just restocked on this one. This one is actually very good, and I like to have it as a staple because when I had bad breakouts, the coverage is really amazing, and you can have like a fuller coverage or a lighter coverage with it. The consistency is thicker, but you can break it, I don't know, I guess with some moisturizer.
Yeah, since we're talking about foundations, I'll go ahead and talk about the NARS foundation. So this one is their new foundation. It's the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation, and this one is the shade Barcelona. I personally never like fell in love with the NARS foundations, but this one I really liked. The coverage was great, and yeah, like the wear of it was really nice as well, so I just picked that one up.
Our mom loves it too.
Yeah, my mom tried it and she really liked it, so we also got her one as well. So the next product I'm gonna talk about is this liner.
The liner, the Kat Von D.
Yeah. Okay, so I had ran out of like a regular like black pencil eyeliner, so I was like in the market for a new one, and then I came across this new Kat Von D one. I was so skeptical about it because it is a liquid liner, but the brush is like,
it's kind of like a sponge.
Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so basically it's a liquid liner, but for your like
waterline?
Waterline or like to tight line. Up there, whatever. With pencil eyeliners, like what I would find usually is that like it would bleed or like you'd get like the raccoon eye, but I found that with the Kat Von D eyeliner I didn't have to touch up at all. Like literally it did not budge. So if you're in the market for a new eyeliner, try it, and like honestly it's really, really good.
Okay, so one of my next products, it's a restock. So it's the Rainforest of the Sea, the boosting mist. I actually really like this because Tarte stuff always smells really good.
Oh my god, this thing is the
yeah,
best.
it smells so good, like legit.
Yeah,
it's blessed.
when I oh my god, I was just gonna say, when I was at Sephora, I used to walk by like the, oh my god, what the, oh yes, now
but it smells so good. Yeah, so while she's spraying herself, it just smells like really refreshing.
It's like,
it has like
zesty, yeah, it's like citrusy.
Yeah.
Like honestly, with these type of things, I usually like spray them in the morning because it's supposed to like wake you up or whatever. So,
and it's also
love that.
Yeah, it's good because you can use it like throughout the day or the night if you want to just like refresh, or you can also use it to
prep.
set.
Yeah, prep, set, whatever.
So definitely worth purchasing. And yeah.
Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna talk about is this. That Marc Jacobs mascara.
Okay,
so
that is the bomb.
Yeah, it is. For me personally, I honestly compared it to the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Like the brush is so similar that like hourglass shape that it has. The Too Faced Better Than Sex has like the same exact shape, but I think the Too Faced one, the brush is maybe just a little bit like maybe a little bit fuller or like bigger or something. Yeah, I think actually it's 33 or something, but it's literally the Better Than Sex Too Faced is 30, so it's like the same price. Plus you're getting the 20% off if you get the VIB sale. I don't know why I just decided to buy these, to be honest.
Well, we've been talking about them for a while. Like we were talking about these like last year or something, but we just never got around to
actually buying one. Yeah. So it's the Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops. These ones are like the highlight ones, I guess, and the shade that I got is Moonlight. They have like a set now. It's like a kit of like 4, but it's like the mini ones. It was 4.52, but it was like the little bottle, like the mini sizes. So I was debating if I should get that one, but when I was swatching them, I really liked this shade, and in the little box kit that they had, this shade wasn't in it. So I was like, you know what, I'm probably not going to use all of those other shades.
With the holiday kit, I would say it's probably, like, if you don't know what shade you like, or if you kind of want to try them all, it's a good deal.
Honestly, it's worth it, because like you're getting,
one of those is like,
one of, like, this itself was $52.
Yeah.
So, like, it is worth it if you want to try more than one.
Yeah.
But
or, like,
they're just smaller bottles, so that's why I just got this one. But
anyways, you could see, like, it's shining.
Yeah, you can kind of see, so that's what it is. And the thing that I like about these is, like, you can use them like kind of all over the face. Like, it doesn't only have to be as a highlighter. You can actually mix it in like with your foundation if you wanted to. Obviously be mindful of how much you're using because they're so pigmented. Like, the littlest bit goes like the longest way.
And another plus for Cover FX, they're gluten-free. They're not only gluten-free, they're also like paraben, fragrance, and mineral oil,
sulfate-free,
and talc-free, and they're vegan. So
I'm pretty sure they're cruelty-free as well.
Yeah. So this is my last product. I really like Bite a lot, and they are also another brand that I have mentioned previously in my videos, and they have a lot of gluten-free products. I was looking for new lipsticks because I have a lot of nudes, but I'm trying to get away from the nudes. I think we're both kind of trying to do that because nudes are our comfort zone. Yeah, I'm just trying to get more comfortable. So I actually ended up buying, ooh, the packaging is actually sick. It's like a magnet. Cool.
Yeah, all the lipsticks are like that.
Well, not the old ones. The ones that I have are not magnets. I don't know. So this one's called Honeywheat. And I actually really liked it. Mind you, I tried it when I had like a bare face, so I felt like I looked a little crazy, but I'll swatch it for you guys to show you. So it's kind of like a brownish, but it has like a...
It has like a warmer tone to it.
Like a I don't know.
orangey almost undertone.
Yeah. Okay, let's show you guys. But it's really pretty. Like, I don't know. It's kind of like auburn.
It's different.
Like, I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see it, but.
Okay, so the next product is my girl, Riri.
And the last product.
Where you at? Not really. There's more in here.
Oh, shit.
So, this is the Stunna Lip Paint, Fenty Beauty. And this is the shade Uncupped. So, it's kind of like a brownish nude, but it does look different in the bottle than when you actually swatch it. So it's darker when you actually put it on. It's actually a really, really nice shade, and I actually felt like good wearing it. So it's more of like a liquidy like consistency, but guys, I kid you not, like it does not move. So that is bomb. Thank you, Riri. I love you. Sponsor me, bye. These products I ordered online just because a lot of them actually are not in store. Well, 3 of them. But anyways, so had to reorder my girl Laura Mercier Translucent. Love you. Hi. This is like my all-time favorite translucent.
Probably the best powder I've ever
Definitely
tried.
the best.
There's always just
Too Faced one is pretty good, but yeah, I don't know what it is about Laura. I need her in my life.
My girl Laura.
Yeah, so I just had to restock on that one. Next thing I had to restock on was ABH banana powder. Okay, guys, I've had my contour kit for probably like
3 years?
3 years? I don't know, whatever. But anyways, the yellow banana shade that everybody uses to set, highlight, whatever, has been sold out on Sephora for literally these 3 years. I swear to God. I was ready to order like 10 and I was like, okay, relax. I only need one.
This girl already dropped like a freaking grand. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, I need to renew my Rouge status so we can keep up with those 20% off codes.
I went down to VIB. Oh well.
Who still does that?
I don't know.
Next thing I got was the ABH. I restocked on the ABH Dip Brow. So I got the Ebony and love it. The last 2 products actually that I got, I was really excited about. So as we know, MAC is now at Sephora, not surprising. So I follow this blogger on Instagram. I literally talk about her like every day. She's a blogger, she's like a mom blogger, but she also posts like a lot of hair tutorials, makeup tutorials. Anyways, mini shout out. I love you if you're watching this video. Okay, bye. I'll just tag her, maybe she'll see it. I always look at her posts and I love her outfits and like all her makeup. So MAC Studio Fix 24-hour smooth wear concealer. That was long. So this shade is NC30. So I don't know, when she wears it, like her makeup always just looks so fresh, like so like pretty and like highlighted. So I was like, okay, yo, let me try this. Last but not least, thank God, Morphe finally is in Sephora.
It's about time.
Yeah, seriously. The palette that I got is the 8C Cool Pro.
When you know the name?
Blush palette. It's called Blend the Rules. So this one is Blend the Rules. So they have another one that's like warmer shades. This one is the cool shade one. I'll probably end up ordering the other one too, but for now,
blushes, right?
Yeah, it's blushes. So open it up. Oh,
so cute.
Oh, it's so nice. So that's what it looks like.
Cute.
Okay, guys. So that's it for a little Sephora VIB
haul,
20% off haul.
Mostly her haul, but you know.
It's okay. So this was the first video that I made with my sister. So hopefully you guys enjoyed having her here. I know I did. We'll definitely be making more videos together because it's a lot of fun.
Let us know if you guys have any
if you guys have suggestions.
Because we're trying to kind of brainstorm. We have a couple ideas, but
yeah, we have some ideas, but it's always nice to get some feedback.
We have a couple ideas, but
stay tuned on her channel and on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that little notify bell button thing so you get a notification every time I post a video. And don't forget to follow Leia on her channel and all of her social media. Everything will be linked in the description box. Follow her for everything holistic nutrition and gluten-free living
and just like lifestyle in general.
Baking and stuff. She does all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye. So these products, she was saying how she used this concealer. Whoa.
Sick. When you can talk.
Do you want to finish the end of what you were saying?
Yeah, so this camera keeps cutting us off.
Literally, bye!
Like, what is good? This shit doesn't focus.
My Oreos!
Okay, anyways. So, like I was saying, bite